Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 59 Chevy Apache with the Napco four-wheel drive system in it. We're going about 55 with 26, 27 RPMs. So this one does have power steering and power brakes, so pretty good that way. Just 6-banger in it. Goes down the road nice and straight. Now my other videos, I didn't know there was a horn, that black button right there, that's a horn. Got a Ooga horn, so it's a pretty cool truck. Not a lot of original ones around. This one you can paint it and you basically got a original with the 6-cylinder in it. So most guys, most of these 50s trucks that are set on Blazer framing, so not a lot of real Napcos. I actually have 2 of them right now. The other one's kind of been painted and stuff. This one hasn't been, but the interior's been done. A lot of mechanicals, so pretty cool truck. So if you're looking for a real Napco, like I said, there's not many on the market. Give us a call, 605-695-7391. And I'll show you the brakes here in the corner. Yep, nice to have power brakes and something like this, kind of big. And then same deal here, I'll be able to turn on the corner here. So nice to have power steering. Any questions, again, 605-695-7391.